Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are one of the many users of Facebook or Instagram or Threads, all three services are down worldwide in the last hour, and there's yet no indication as to when this is going to come back. Meta is very quiet right now on what's happening, so we can speculate on so many things, but we don't know exactly the cause. So this has started around 10 a.m. Eastern Time here in North America. That's 15 hours UTC. And it started with people thinking it was maybe just local to, say, Canada or United States, but it's worldwide. And the down detector actually does show that starting at 10 a.m. Eastern, people are having problems. You might have been logged out of your account. It's going to tell you your session has expired. It's going to tell you things are not working. So this is part of what's happening. So if you were wondering, because this is a service used by a lot of people, and especially also Instagram is very popular, there is a worldwide outage happening right now. We'll keep you up to date if anything comes back or anything shows up. Could it be a cyber attack? It's not impossible. Could it be, like very often it happens, a faulty setting somewhere or a change in a router somewhere and it just blocks everything else? We'll know probably later today or in the coming days. So if you're trying to get to Facebook, doesn't work, it's not you. It's just not working. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.